Did you know that the future of immersive technology hinges on something as unassuming as cables? Augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR, are transforming our digital experiences, and at the heart of this revolution are cable assemblies. Behind every stunning AR/VR experience is a network of cables ensuring seamless data transmission. These cables connect headsets and controllers, transmitting data at lightning speeds. Any lag can disrupt the illusion, making high-quality cable assemblies crucial for immersive experiences. AR/VR applications demand cables that handle high-speed data, low latency, and robust shielding. Innovations like fiber optic cables and hybrid designs are pushing boundaries, balancing performance and flexibility. The AR/VR cable assembly market is booming. Manufacturers are developing innovative solutions to meet this growing demand, ensuring the future of connectivity. As AR/VR evolves, so does the need for advanced cable assemblies. Circuit assembly is at the forefront, crafting solutions for this dynamic industry. If you enjoyed this dive into AR/VR tech, like and subscribe for more insights.